That's for you.
Oh, thank you.
That's for you. So basically, we're taking a small break so you guys can eat food and drink water.
Oh, cool.
Just kidding.
Did you get this about the toilet?
Just kidding. We're doing some TikTok challenge type thing.
Oh,
it's a tiebreaker.
This is the tiebreaker that Omega Juice, the smartest computer of all time, came up with.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I love this one. This was so fun.
Why are you drinking coffee?
With the okay. So you guys will fill your mouth up fully. Okay.
Austin, you
fully,
should have done
with
this
water.
one.
So you're gonna drink full. Don't cheat. Don't put air in it.
Hey.
Full of water.
Hey, cheers.
Okay. And then you're gonna slap each other with the tortilla, and one at a time. And whoever splashes their mouth loses. Bro, are you guys even listening?
Mm-hmm.
You get it? Mm-hmm. Oh, so you've seen the TikToks then? Mm-hmm. Okay, fair enough then. I think I'm gonna get out of here then. Okay. I'll have to I'll probably give you guys a little bit of countdown. Make something exciting. One at a time. How about you do a tic-tac-toe? Bing, bing, bang. I mean, yeah. Yeah, do that. So who starts? Okay. Wait, hold on. These don't look really filled up. You guys full? Come on. No, nowhere. So bad. No, no cheating today. Just fill it up. Yeah. Just fill it up fast. Come on. Good. Now, good. Okay. Now, one at a time. Ready? I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Go Jerma. Woo.
Come on, Ludwig.
So whenever you're ready, man. Just don't punch him. We didn't sign a waiver. No. You keep going. It's now his turn. Yeah, it's his turn after that. Jerma? Huh? Lovely? What? Okay.
God, I'm strong.
Yes.
I am strong.
Yes.
I'm the strongest.
Which means
You slapped me.
that we're going to a tie. What? No,
that was it. We won.
Fucking lose.
You lose.
Yeah.
That's it.
You got
Congratulations, guys. Yes, thank you. I need one. I want to touch it.
Congratulations.
You guys. We're getting episode 2 of James, but that's it.